So VLookup allows you to search large quantities of data and copy them to a new location. There are four things to remember. Number one, what am I looking up? Number two, where am I looking it up? Number three, what do I want back from my search? And number four, the word false. And we'll look at that in a second so I can show you what I mean. So I'm going to be on sheet 2 and I'm going to click in cell A1 and type equals VLookup. And it automatically starts a formula for me. So the first question is, what am I looking up? You almost always look up by a student number because it's a unique identifier. So I click on the cell, I add a comma. Where am I looking it up? I'm looking it up in this data, comma. Which column is the information I want in? So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. So I want column 2, so I'm going to add a 2, comma, and then I'm going to type in the word false. So you can see on this video that true is an approximate match. False is an exact match. That seems opposite to me, but type in the word false and hit enter or return. And that will give me the first name on my new data sheet, and I can pull it down if I want to. Let's try to do it a second one. Equals VLookup. What am I looking it up by? Number, comma. Where am I looking it up? This data, comma. This time I want column 3, comma, false. Return. And now I can pull down the last name as well. That's just a really simple example. We'll look at some more instructional examples in a second.